In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f0984 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, we are going to click on the option that is System. Then we need to scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here we can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And this will also give you suggestions. And then what you can do is you need to follow the suggestions and recommendations in order to fix the issue. Okay? So after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to run commands. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as administrator on the right pane. Click Yes for the user account control. So we have commands in here. This will be posted in the description box below. The first command is the SFC scan to scan for and fix any system corrupted files. To copy the first command, Control C to copy and then Control V and hit enter. So wait for the verification process to be 100% completed. So once this is completed, close the command prompt window and then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then go to CMD again. Click Run as administrator on the right pane. Click Yes for the user account control and copy the second command, which will be again posted in the description box below. Control V and hit enter. So just simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, all you need to do is to restart your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I'm not just going to show you the whole process because this will take for 50 minutes or an hour. So once this is done, just simply restart your Windows. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.